she's a jerk. She's Kyle the Goose.
You from England?
I have absolutely no idea what's going on.
I have one question.
Child Protective Services. Oh!
I have one question.
COVID. My mom just feels bad for you. That's why she invited you over.
Hey, I have one question. Have you ever been and eat bris, moss? Yo, what's up?
What's up?
Yeah, he's handsome boy. Oh,
You're such a fucking hoe. I love it.
You're a handsome murder, my dude.
oh, thank you. We are handsome. Yeah. Yo, what's up, guys?
Nothing much.
Can I ask you one question? Maybe he now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you have you ever been eat bris with moss ris me banan?
Can you say that again?
Ris me banan. Ris with banan.
Huh?
I can't understand your accent.
There is a one culture in Africa eating rice with banan.
Oh no.
No.
Is it good?
Yeah. Somalia.
Hey, Philip, please get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Emily.
Oh, my name is you to Asas. Can I ask you?
I'm not going to try say it because I will not be able to.
Yeah, my name is Migos. Ahmed Migos. Can I ask you one question? Have you been eat bris with moss, rice with banan?
Pardon?
Rice with banan.
Banana.
Yeah, banana.
I don't think so.
You don't see. Okay. Do you like big banana or small banana?
Not bothered.
Maybe you like big banana.
Hi!
Hi, what's up?
What's up? What? I have a question for you.
Yeah, what's that?
Como é que fala capital em português? What's capital of Brazil?
What the fuck?
Hey, what happened?
Can I use Google?
No! you want to other question?
Yeah. What is?
Yeah, okay.
Can I ask you? One?
The other question is, America is a continent or a country?
Continent.
Ooh, very good!
Can Can I ask you one question?
You use Google.
Yeah. What is the capital of Somalia?
Okay. The game is revenge. I don't know.
Okay. What is the capital of Norway?
Yeah, I know, but I forgot. Okay, I forgot the
Oslo.
answer. Oslo. Ah, yes. Oh, yes.
O cara tá rindo só.
Hey, no Punjabi. Hey, you from Punjab? Yeah, what's up?